Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on Vivo Y35. And to do this we'll need to open something that we can scroll, and easiest way to find it is in the settings. Here click on the volume down key and power key at the same time to make a screenshot. Select long screenshot. Here we just need to wait till screenshot loads entire page. We can also scroll down manually, wait till the loading is finished, and click on Save. Click on the pop-up to open your scrollable screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.